Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we are going to make a chicken and waffles chaffle. But before we do that, I need to throw a shout out again to Mike Palmer of Accolade Prints. Mike designed and sent me this shirt. Kind of has this sort of cool Colombian coffee sort of look to it for get up and go keto. I will include a link to Mike's store out on Redbubble if you're interested in any sort of keto designs on pretty much any product. T-shirt, sweatshirt, shower curtain, bath mat, clock, coffee mug. You can find them all out there. I don't get any commission. This is all just me doing right by someone who's also a startup and an entrepreneur. So check out his site. I'm not sure what age I was when I first had chicken and waffles, but I know it wasn't that long ago, and it's one of those things where when I had it, I thought, wow, I went this long in my life without having chicken and waffles. So I'm really excited to try out this chaffle recipe. It was submitted to me on Instagram by one of my followers, Jack Johnson. So this recipe is all Jack, and I haven't made any substitutions or anything to it. Let's get to making it. Now, I'm not sure if Jack uses the food processor method for mixing his ingredients, but I found that that's really my preferred method. That's what we're going to do. We're going to start with 2/3 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/3 cup fresh grated Parmesan, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and 1 tablespoon of unflavored whey protein isolate. And I always blend my dry ingredients together first. And I typically find that 8 pulses is about the magic number on this little Cuisinart. To this, we'll add 1 whole large egg, 1 egg white, and 2 tablespoons of the sugar-free syrup of your choice. I'll include a link right up here to Courtney's and my reviews of sugar-free syrups. We'll then process this into a batter. And lastly, we'll add 2.5 ounces, or half a standard can, of chicken breast. And we'll give this just a couple pulses to incorporate it. That feels good. Now, I'm not sure what the yield is going to be on this, but I suspect it's going to be more than 2 chaffles. It's been 5 minutes. The chaffles have quit steaming. We'll get these to a cooling rack. I had a little overflow on this one, which in a way is good because people have been asking me to do a how do you clean a Dash Mini video. There might have been enough batter here had I distributed it properly to get 4 full chaffles out of this. This might also be a great recipe for the Dash No Mess. And we'll take out the second batch. And I think if you're good with the distribution, this is a 4 chaffle recipe. And now the moment of truth. I thought these might need some extra syrup, but wow, these are very good. Jack Johnson, you've got a winner here. This is a great recipe. I mean, this tastes just like chicken and waffles. Now, I wonder if I got a rotisserie chicken and scrape some breast meat off of that, how that would be. That might be a worthwhile experiment. I'm going to dunk this in some syrup too. It's heavenly. I've had some great viewer submissions sent to me and this is no exception. So thank you, Jack, and thank you for watching.